Welcome. Do you want to speak English with confidence? Join us and unleash your potential. In this video, we will put into practice the basic English grammar. You should pay attention to the activities. Always remember to have a notebook and pencil at hand to take notes.
Welcome, beginner English grammar students. We're excited to have you here for our practice today. Before we begin, remember to have your pencil and notebook handy for taking notes. Pay attention to the activities we'll be doing, as they will help strengthen your language skills. It's time to get started.
Questions with WH. Guided practice for English grammar students at the beginner level. Explanation. In English, questions that begin with interrogative words like what, where, when, who, why, and how are known as WH questions. These questions are fundamental for obtaining information on various topics in everyday conversations. Learning to formulate and respond to WH- questions is crucial for effective communication in English. Examples. Who? Example 1. Who is your best friend? Why? Example 2. Why are you late? What? Example 3. What is your favorite color? Where? Example 4. Where do you live? When? Example 5. When is your birthday? How? Example 6. How do you get to work? Let's start with the first activity. Instruction. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Fill in the blanks. What? How? Why? Where? When? Is your favorite color? Are you going on vacation? Do you usually travel to work? Do you go to the gym? Did you buy that book? If you want to access our premium educational content, go to the link provided in the video description. Let's start with the second activity. Instruction. Reorder the sentences correctly. Order the sentences correctly. Who know you do that man? Where last Sunday did go you? When leave does train the? Why angry she is? What buy you should for her birthday? Answers for Activity 1 and Activity 2. Fill in the blanks. What is your favorite color? Where are you going on vacation? How do you usually travel to work? Why do you go to the gym? When did you buy that book? Order the sentences correctly. Who know you do that man? The correct form is who do you know that man? Where last Sunday did go you? The correct form is where did you go last Sunday? When leave does train the? The correct form is when does the train leave? Why angry she is? The correct form is Why is she angry? What buy you should for her birthday? The correct form is: what should you buy for her birthday?
Thank you for being part of our practice today. We hope you found the activities helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to be the first to know when we publish new educational content. Until next time, goodbye.